our option was to give all type of novel agents for elderly myeloma patients, a total therapy approach, but it's impossible to give all drugs at the same time for elderly patients with multiple myeloma, so we choose two very effective induction regimes, bortezomib, melphalan, and prednisone, and lenalidomide plus low-dose dex. And what we have planned is to give both schemes, but in an alternating scheme, so 9 cycles of VMP followed by 9 cycles of lenalidomide plus low-dose dex, or the same combination but in an alternating scheme, 1 cycle of VMP followed by 1 cycle of RD, and so on. And after the first 9 cycles, in which we have compared 9 cycles of VMP with 9 cycles in which patients have been early exposed to all different types of novel agents, the efficacy in terms of complete remission rate was superior for the alternating scheme, and most importantly, this was not at the cost of more toxicity. In addition, we have also found that the median progression-free survival and overall survival is very positive for this group of elderly patients. And in addition, when we have evaluated the role of this new combination in patients with high-risk features, it seems that this combination is able to overcome the poor prognosis of the presence of advanced stage of the disease or high-risk cytogenetic abnormalities. So we have, of course, to wait to have a longer follow-up to consolidate the results, but it seemed to be very effective for the management of elderly patients with multiple myeloma.